Bonjour, my name is Marie Conser. I'm a real estate broker here in Oregon. In today's episode, we're talking about selling and buying at the same time in a seller's market. The reason I'm talking about this is because a lot of sellers have become interested in cashing in their equity in a rapidly appreciating market, but they are not quite sure where to go next. So, in this episode, we're going to cover different options that you may have and some of the pros and cons. Of course, I recommend that you talk to your realtor or myself if you do not have one to discuss what works best for you in your situation. So, let's talk about option one. Maybe in option one, you are buying the home before selling it. In this situation, what we would do is shop for a home for you to buy after the sale of your home. But you would want to purchase first and go under contract first on your replacement home before you even put your house on the market. So the good thing is you will have the opportunity to secure this house, your replacement home, before even selling your house. The downside is you will most likely be competing against other offers where those other buyers may not be what we call contingent on selling their home. There are different ways of approaching this, of course. A big piece of it will be to be ready to put your house on the market immediately, but the risk is that you could be bumped out of that position of accepted offer by another buyer who does not have such contingency. So there is a risk here associated with being what we call bumpable. So let's do this in a different order. Now you are putting your house on the market to sell it, and you're shopping at the same time for your replacement home. In such situation where you're trying to accomplish both the sale and the purchase at the same time, what we would do is first communicate with buyers and buyer's agent that you are making the sale of your home now contingent on you finding a replacement property. And when you're buying the replacement property, you can now communicate with a seller's agent that your home is on the market, being actively marketed, and you're expecting to receive offers shortly, at which point we will be able to not be bumpable on that purchase and just be fully pending, as we would call it in our jargon. In this situation, you would be doing the sale and the purchase at the same time, trying to close potentially on the same day and do only one move to get from the home you're selling to the home you're buying. It could be a little bit more stressful for you, but it could be really working out, especially if you have identified the next home, the replacement home. Now, let's think about a third option. It's a little bit different, but in this market where we don't have a lot of homes for sale, it is an interesting option for the people who qualify. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about buying your replacement home before even putting your house on the market to sell. In that scenario, you're looking to partner with a lender who is going to lend you the money without having taken the equity out of your home yet because you have not sold it yet using this equity in order to qualify you on your next purchase. There are two lenders locally that I have interviewed that offer financial products, loan products that help sellers in that situation to accomplish this. One is Tim McBratney with Pacific Residential Mortgage. I will put the link to those videos at the end of this video. But the way his product works is that it's going to look at the equity on both homes and lend on that. And then with Wendy Sinclair with Priority Home Lending, there is a product called Equity Access. And this product, as it says, enables you to access the equity in the home you're selling before it sells and use it in the purchase of your home. In both scenarios, obviously, once you close on your purchase and you have moved into your new home, the goal is to quickly put your house on the market, sell it, collect the net proceeds, and with those net proceeds, apply them onto the loan that you have used on the purchase of your home in order to lower the principal balance and recast your payments to lower them. So hopefully that gave you some ideas. Please keep in mind that every situation is unique and different. People may qualify for different things. We also have sellers who are moving out of state and are trying to accomplish this across state lines. At John L. Scott, I work with a network of agents throughout the US and actually Europe and the world. So I can definitely connect you with another agent in that other area in order for us to work as your team very closely to make things happen for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to chat with you. If you do not have an agent yet, I'm happy to help you accomplish this transition. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.